I've done 2 rotations at Volvo Construction Equipment as an assembly manufacturing engineer, and I did my 3rd and final rotation at Harley-Davidson as an advanced manufacturing fabrication engineer.
At Volvo, I worked in the manufacturing and industrial engineering department, where I was able to work on many projects. During my first rotation, I was assigned to work on a Yamazumi, which is a Japanese term for a complete line rebalance. We restructured the line to even out the work content as well as improve the process flow. My team and I also restructured all of the computer work that happens behind the scenes. We were able to go from 15 work centers to 8. Parts were placed in a more efficient manner, and operator feedback was highly considered. During my second rotation, I worked on several WPOs, which stands for Workplace Organization. The main goal of these projects was to improve efficiency, eliminate waste, and improve the ergonomical conditions. During my time here, I completed 3 WPOs, ultimately saving the company $70,000 a year. The best part of this co op experience was being able to be assigned as the project lead. I had the opportunity to manage 10 people, and this really gave me a lot of insight on conflict management, time management, and my own organizational skills. Last spring, I was planning on returning for my 3rd and final rotation here.
Guess what? Coronavirus!
So, I immediately contacted the co op office and got myself back on the email list. I got an email about a position in the Advanced Manufacturing Fabrication Department at Harley Davidson, and I thought I would be perfect for that. I immediately jumped on it. I emailed the co op office. I told them that I was interested. They advocated for me, and after getting an interview, I was able to land the job. At Harley Davidson, I was working on unreleased fuel tanks, so nothing that I'm working on I can tell you too much about, but I can tell you that I was able to be a part of the team that worked on one of the very first of their kind fuel tanks to come out of Harley Davidson. From my co op experience, I have definitely gained a lot of confidence and technical knowledge. I went from being an engineering student to an engineer. Co op has helped me realize what I want to do and that I have the grit to do it. Co op has also changed the way I approach my classes. I'm far more organized and motivated when it comes to doing the work. I'm super interested in getting my Lean Sigma 6 green belt, which was something that was very important to a lot of manufacturing plants. And so I decided that I was going to take it here at Pitt this semester. But the problem was that you need a couple prerequisites to get in it. But because of my co op experience, I was able to forego them and enroll in the class. My advice to new incoming engineering students, anybody who's interested in co op, is first, do not quit. You can do it. You have the grit to get into Pitt, then you have the grit to get through freshman year. And once you get through freshman year, it gets so much easier after that. And secondly, speak up. Classes are so much more interesting whenever a discussion is happening. And if you're asking questions, the chances are somebody else in the room also has that same question. So don't be afraid to ask. And even in the workplace, people will have so much more respect for you if you speak up, and you're going to get so much more out of it. If you ask a question, then you know. Even if you are wrong, it doesn't matter. That's all I got though. I hope you guys stick with engineering. You can do it. If you got this far, you can stay with it. Bye!